A blessed and lovely morning to you all in this wonderful Lord's Day. Can you go 3 hours without using your phone? I challenge you today, Wednesday, 21st February 2024. Take up the challenge. 10 minutes into the challenge, most of us will be ready to quit. With technology on the rise, smartphones are becoming truly smarter than us. Most of us would not be able to function. What will you do without your phone for that 3 hours? Do we even have a hobby anymore that do not have anything to do with technology? Even reading our Bible, we have app on our phone and tablets. Social media is taking over our lives. Facebook and Instagram, we communicate with Siri, Google, and Alexa daily. Go to a restaurant and observe what's taking place. Mom on phone, dad on phone, children have tablets with earphones in ears. Family time should be family time. Technology is not all bad. It can be positive instead of spreading negative reviews on social media. We can challenge positive energy and it will spread. We can use this to our advantage in spreading the good news, uplifting each other, motivating one another. You might not be able to fix the problem of the world, but if you can at least put a smile on someone's face, giving them that glimmer of hope, you have done well. Amen. God bless you all today, Wednesday, in a very special way. God is love. Thanks for listening. If you've been blessed by this inspiration, please like, subscribe, and share with others. Blessings overflowing on you and your family.